Investing in a public provident fund is a secure and tax-efficient way to build a long-term savings corpus in India. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in PPF, eligibility and account opening. Check if you are eligible to open a PPF account. Individuals, including minors, can open an account. Visit a designated bank or post office to fill out the PPF account opening form. Documents and KYC. Submit required documents such as identity proof, address proof, and photographs. Complete the KYC process as per the institution's guidelines. Account type. You can open either a regular PPF account or an account for a minor. You can also open a joint account with family members, but the total investment limit remains the same. Deposit. Decide the amount you want to invest. The minimum annual contribution is 500 rupees. Deposits can be made in lump sum or in a maximum of 12 installments in a year. Tenure and maturity. A PPF account has a maturity period of 15 years. You can extend it in blocks of 5 years after maturity. Interest. PPF offers a competitive interest rate that is compounded annually. The interest is tax-free. Nomination. Nominate a beneficiary for your PPF account. This is important for the account holder's family in case of unfortunate events. Manage account. You will receive a passbook that records all transactions. You can also manage your PPF account online, checking the balance, making contributions, and viewing transaction history. Long-term nature. PPF is designed as a long-term savings instrument, encouraging disciplined savings for your financial goals.